Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I made these delicious and simple shortbread lemon cookies. So for these cookies, I used sugar, flour, whole wheat flour, lemon, an egg, and butter. Start with separating the egg because we will only be using the egg yolk. So this is an extra step, but I like to mix all the dry ingredients, including the lemon zest. And I also like to cut the butter in cubes. What makes these cookies so easy to make is that the dough can be made in a food processor. So here I am layering the ingredients. Again, this is a personal preference thing, but I like to help the machine along by layering the ingredients. And I'll process until you have a dough. Then take it out and knead it until the dough no longer crumbles. For a crispier end result, I'm going to refrigerate it, but again, this is optional as well. So here I have my dough, which I'm rolling with my rolling pin. But use your favorite cookie cutter. And bake the cookies in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it. Super simple and delicious shortbread lemon cookies. For more cookies and cake recipes, check out these videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.